Introducing the commercial wood sawdust making machine by Bedo. This electric-powered machine is perfect for manufacturing plants and farms. Its efficient wood sawdust production will transform wood logs into fine sawdust, with a final size of 3 to 5 mm. With a 25 mm plate thickness, hydraulic motor feeding, and 1400 turn-a-minute knife roller speed, this machine guarantees high-quality results. Available in different models and sizes, it comes with a 1-year warranty and reliable core components like bearings, motors, pumps, gears, and gearboxes. Get your wood sawdust machine today for a productive and sustainable solution.